today's workshop was called How We Play Basketball on the Moon, and we were looking at the Commonwealth Games and the science behind it. So the 2022 Commonwealth Games were debuting 3x3 wheelchair basketball. It's the first time it was ever showcasing at the Commonwealth Games. So we spent time today looking at how normal basketball games work and what would happen if we were to go to the moon and try and play basketball. So we looked at backspin and how that helped the ball fall into the hoop. We also looked at different ways in which basketball would need to be adapted if it were to be played on the moon. The kids also got a chance to make their own paper cup basket. They coloured it in, they added a backing board. We had a go at making our own balls. So they made a foil ball and they had a bouncing basketball as well. And then the third ball was made by polymorph. Polymorph is polymer and it enables you to place the little pellets into 62 degrees water, so it's quite hot. When we take it out of that, we are able to mold the plastic into whatever shape we like. So the kids had a go at making them into tiny balls and we had lots of fun playing a game with them. We also explored career cards so that everyone could find out about the STEM careers that are related to the things that we did today. So there was an occupational therapist and a rehabilitation doctor. It was great that we had the chance to have a special guest come in. So Andy Craddock from Birmingham Wheelchair Basketball was here and he was able to allow all the audience members to take part in being in a wheelchair and having fun, having a go racing in a wheelchair.